How to download and install Assassin's Creed 1 on PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can download and install Assassin's Creed on PC. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So for that, first thing is if you don't have Steam downloaded onto your device, you can just go ahead and download the Steam onto your device. And then once it is downloaded, just open it up on your device. Once it opens up, you can just log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. Along with that, you should also be finding search bar. So all you need to do is go ahead and use the search bar in order to search for Assassin's Creed. Just go ahead and type in that. And when you do that, you should be given these results on your screen. So you can go ahead and look out for the one that you're looking for. Right now we can see it is for $6.59. So you can just scroll down through the game after you go through the game's informations. Once you have looked up for that, in the bottom you should be finding these options. You can add it to cart and go on with the purchase by adding a payment method, and once that is done, the Assassin's Creed should be downloaded onto your device. So that is how you download it, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.